to Crazy Science with Maddie.
I'm Makai.
All right, and today we're going to be continuing Peep Science, but focusing on colors and expanding them a little bit. So do you want to go ahead and show them what we did prior to this filming? All right, make sure. So
look at this ugly Peep.
Yeah, what did we do to it?
We put it in the microwave for like 30 seconds or something. And then it got bigger, but then it got bigger, but then it shrunk.
Yeah, exactly. It expanded.
And then it gets super hard. Look,
is it? Oh, I didn't even feel it. Is it really? Oh my gosh, yeah.
It's hard.
It's really hard now. So if you want to try that one, figured that one wouldn't work too well with the filming because we got the setup right here. But if you want to go ahead and try your own microwave Peep before, that's the first part of this 3-part Peep experiment for day 2 of Peep Science. And Makai, why do you think it expanded at first?
Because it got so much pressure, it started to.
Well, because it was really hot. When things are really hot, they expand a lot. And then it cooled down a lot. What? It's cool.
And it got chipped.
Yeah, now you can chip it off. Awesome. Okay, so for the first one, actually I'm going to set aside this bowl of water. And could you...
Eat it?
Could you hand me that bowl of Sprite, please?
You need Sprite for
Yes.
this. But let your kid drink some.
Maybe just a little. Yeah, so for these, you're going to need Peeps, obviously, a couple bowls, some Sprite, some water. Pretty simple. Probably a microwave if you want to do the first part with the expanded and then crusty Peep as well. All right, so this one is going to have to do with colors. So we have, hold up one of these. So we got this one. It's a regular
rabbit Peep.
Yeah, we got a rabbit Peep, and all right, hand me that one now. Do you want to pick a chicky Peep?
Chicky Peep.
Yeah. All right, so pick one of those.
Maddie thinks Peeps are ugly.
Yeah, they're fine.
Unless I said that in the last episode.
I don't remember. Perhaps. Well, they were creepy because they were staring at me. But all right, Makai, what do you think? What do you think is going to happen when we put these 2 differently colored Peeps together in that bowl of Sprite?
Oh, maybe
No.
It's probably...
Wait, not yet. Do you have a hypothesis?
Not really.
Not really? Do you think it matters that they're different colors?
No.
No? Okay,
I'm just going to do the same thing.
Let's see. We'll drop them in. Okay, they're doing a little bit of fizzy motion. We actually will tilt that over that way.
Oh, don't spill it. They're just floating.
Yeah, they're just floating. Let's push them around a little bit, huh?
Why? Yeah, hit them.
Yeah, get them like really soaked. Get them in there.
Get them down there.
Get them soaked.
Push them down there. When you push them down, it's like really hard when you push it down.
Yeah.
A bit.
Because Peeps tend to float, right? It's a precursor to our next experiment. Okay, so what's happening to the Peep itself?
This is going to be 3 experiments.
Yeah, this is part 2. So what's happening to the Peep itself, Makai? What's happening to it, do you think? Focus on, actually, the yellow one and the pink one. What's one thing that's happening there?
Well, the pink one's losing color.
Yeah.
The pink rabbit.
Yeah, the pink one's losing a little bit of its color. I think maybe you were just a little bit harsher on that one than I was on the yellow one. How about we switch? You use that one now? Yeah, try to oh, hey, splashing. Try to get off all the color.
Okay.
Yeah.
Try to get off all of the color.
Gotta rub it clean.
Yeah, rub it clean. It's a Peep bath. They just went in a bunch of colored mud.
Yeah.
And Peep mud and then got really colorful.
Exactly. Okay, now the pink one's getting really white actually. Now that and look what's happening to the Sprite. What do you see there now? Here, let me take the yellow one. What do you see in the Sprite, Makai? Is it any different? Oh, hey.
And it's like getting colorful because of the colorful sugar.
Yeah.
I'm gonna drink this water when we're done.
Gross. Don't do that.
When we're
I see
done
one of
getting
the
off-
Peeps' eyes in there. Now they're like almost
Oh,
entirely white.
I thought-
Okay,
I
I'm gonna
thought-
wipe off my hand
No.
with my little paper towel right here. Bring the camera up so I can get a really good view of what's happening. Oh, hey.
Sprite smells good.
Okay.
I'm trying to get this as wide as I can. I'm trying to get off this extra
So if you can
color.
see in there pretty well. The water, what color would you say that the water's becoming, Makai? Do you think the water's becoming any sort of color?
Mhm.
Yeah, what color is that?
Like a brownish.
Like a brownish?
Mhm.
Oh.
I like the Peep eyes.
I don't know. I think
minty.
it might look a little brown, but I think it's also pretty orange. I would
Yeah.
say is like the dominant color happening here.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's a lot of the pink foam is being
Look.
more dominant than the yellow foam.
It's a pink rabbit that took a bath
Yeah.
in Sprite.
So when you mix pink and yellow, what generally happens? What color do you get?
Like pink is almost red, so and pink, red and white make pink, so it's just red basically.
Yeah.
So and we know that red and yellow make orange. So
Yeah.
it's kind of turning like a orangish brownish.
Yeah, I would say like a really light orange too, like not a very pretty orange, but kind of like burnt orange maybe. Burnt orange, but also like washed out. All right, cool. So that was pretty much all of that one. Oh my gosh, and you made it totally white. Come on, don't do that. Gross. Put it back in there, please.
Ooh, it doesn't smell good.
Have a peep when you're done. Okay, awesome. So now we got the big bowl of water. And what are we gonna do now, Makai? What's the point of this one?
Do the same thing exactly.
No, we're not doing the same thing. This
Eating
time,
them?
we're gonna focus on making Peep boats. We're gonna see if Peeps generally float or sink in water. I think they're
And
gonna
then we're
float
gonna
pretty
try
easily.
and mix our ingredients to try and make them sink.
Yeah, then we're gonna see what we can do to make them sink. All right, you ready? And take that one? Okay, drop them in. Okay, what's happening initially? Are they floating?
Yeah.
Yep, they're floating.
I'm gonna
Okay,
drink this Sprite
so now
water.
you're trying to make it sink? Why
Push
would
them.
why would a Peep be easier to make sink than something that's more solid? Do you think?
Let's add some stuff to it.
Let's wait on that. But I got that question for you. Why do you think a Peep would be easier to make sink than something more solid,
Can I drink some?
like a piece of wood after we're done?
Dang it.
Do you think a Peep would be easier to make sink or harder than a piece of wood?
Harder because, like, wood is heavier than marshmallows with a giant lot of sugar on it.
Yeah, okay. I think Peeps might actually be easier to make sink though. You wanna know why?
Why?
Because they're a bit porous and they're not entirely, like they can become a bit more mushy and they're less like hard solids. So they can lose some of their like density when they get in water and then they just sink like more and more the longer they're in there, I think, because they're marshmallows. What do you think? If you have some popsicle sticks too, that would be really fun. We looked for some popsicle sticks. We did not have any this time around, but if you have some, that'd be good. Also, the water's turning pink, which I think is really pretty.
I might do one of these alone, showing them how to make a Peep boat.
Yeah, Peep boat. That'd be
Out
good.
of popsicle sticks. But
Yeah.
we made a hot glue gun and
You can just stick it in the Peep probably too.
Probably.
Yeah.
So like you can stick it into the Peep. That would probably hurt the Peep if they were in the boat.
All right, awesome. So thank you guys so much for listening. Do you have anything else to add, Mikai?
Leave some Sprite for the kids.
Leave some Sprite for the kids. Awesome. Okay, and next week we're going to be focusing on combustion. We're going to be doing dragon fire, which is some green fire, and we're going to be lighting money but not burning it. So for next week specifically, sorry, you get that after. Next week specifically, you will need parent supervision. Why does the money not burn?
Because it's made out of cloth.
Because it's made out of cloth. Yeah, exactly. It's made out of cloth, and we add some extra special chemicals. Exactly. Thank you. Just took it all in. Okay, so thank you guys so much. We're going to eat the rest of our Peeps.
Now?
No. Have a great day.
More Peeps for you.
Bye.
If you don't like them, more for me.